Hello YouTubers, 2009 Honda Ridgeline, and the issue is that the blower fan is not working. So you can see it does not do anything. So how it behaved before, when it did not work and the customer bumped under the glove box, it was working, then it quit it again. So now it's cold outside, it's not fun and not safe to drive without the heater. So we will replace the blower. If you have the case where the fan does not work on the low or medium speed but works on a high, that's most definitely your resistor, because when it's on high, the power goes directly to the blower, bypassing the resistor. If it does not work in any position, then most likely you have an issue with the blower itself. So let's get to it. Okay, let's take a look under the glove box. So you can see the fan is right there. So first we need to remove this plastic cover to get to the power connector, and we will just use a small Phillips screwdriver to get that cover off. Right, so now when this cover is removed, we can go ahead and unplug the wires. Also, if you look at this wire, it's just above the Phillips screw over there. So you'll need to push that wire off to see that Phillips screw, or you can potentially, I don't know how easy it will be to get this wire off the cover. Anyway, next, to get the fan off, there are 3 T25 Torxes. So get those out and fan should go down. Here you go, the old fan is removed and it is super stiff. It's hard to spin, so it's done. The new one at the same time, you can see that it spins freely. So this is UAC, the part number BM9175C. So we will get the new fan in. We'll put those 1, 2, 3 Torx T25. Then we will plug in the wires and attach the cover. Okay, so fan is in place with those Torx screw. With this new fan, this cover does not fit over. So we'll just remove this cover and won't use it here. So to get that wire off, you need to squeeze it from both sides, probably with the small pliers, and that wire should come off. So the wire is plugged in, and I checked, it's quite nicely fit. It's attached over there, so I don't think there is real need for that cover. So we will leave it for now, and we will check if it works now. Right, so we'll use the fan. And it does work, so easy job to do. You need to be flexible enough to get under the glove box, but other than that, not too bad of a job. Thanks for watching and do it yourself. Please subscribe.